Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to draw a simple and cool spider web step by step. So grab your pencil or pen and let's get started. First we'll start by creating the basic structure of our web. Draw a few straight lines crossing through the same center point. Keep adding the lines in different direction until we have several sections around the center. Now the basic framework is ready. We can start turning these lines into an actual spider web. Starting from the upper section, draw a smooth curved lines connecting the neighboring spokes. Continue the same curved pattern around the web. Try to keep the curve smooth and similar in shape as you move from one section to the next. As we continue around the drawing, we can already see the spider web starting to take shape. Now we'll add another curved layer inside the first one. Keep following the same pattern, connecting each of the lines with smooth curves. Continue working your way around the entire web. Once the second layer is complete, we'll add another one closer to the center. Make these curves a little similar as we move inward. And there we go, our spider web is complete. I really like how the curved layers give the web simple but detailed look. If you enjoyed this drawing tutorial, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy and fun drawing tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.